Hey guys, today we have a breadfruit. Now, most of you guys probably have never heard of a breadfruit, but it's a big fruit in the Caribbean, South America, and it's kind of got the consistency of kind of bread. It's almost like a loaf of bread and a potato had a baby. But anyways, we're gonna cut open this breadfruit and we're gonna cook this breadfruit and we'll show you how to prepare it. Now, I'm gonna kind of show you how to prepare it. This is my first time preparing it. I've had breadfruit many times, but I've never actually prepared a breadfruit myself. So this is all relatively new to me. Let's see if we got the right knife for this, first of all. I've been debating about which knife to use, but this is not particularly easy to cut through this breadfruit. If I get it to here. There we go. All right. So inside, you see it has a bit of a core portion. That's the part we're going to cut out. So we're going to cut this again. We'll cut that stem off. I'm going to cut this down the middle here. Whoa. And we're going to cut that one more time. Down the middle. And then we're going to cut out this core piece here. We don't need that part. And we'll do the same for this one. And then we just have to peel it. Skin is very tough. You got to be careful. Make sure you have a sharp knife, which is kind of a mildly sharp knife, but probably not as sharp as I should be using for this. The sharper the knife you have, the less dangerous it becomes. When you have a dull knife, you're putting too much pressure on, a little slip up and you're going to hurt yourself. So once we've got it peeled, try to remove off anything that doesn't quite look like normal. There we go. I like that, nice and clean. So now we're just going to slice it up into pieces. It's probably a little long, so we're going to cut that in half. We're going to put that in our cold water. We've got salt and cold water in here. Oops. And that's what it looks like. Then we roast it. Roasted. Breadfruit's so nice, I decided to cook it twice. All right, guys, so the moment of truth. We roasted and then we fried our breadfruit, and let's see what it tastes like. Tastes like breadfruit. Tastes good. Probably use a little more salt. That's pretty good. Breadfruit. Check it out, guys. All right, see you. Bye.